Alright, today we're going to be checking out this property up on Wilhelmina Rise. Asking price on this one is 1.845 million. Now, this property, you got over 3,000 square feet of living area. You got a great lanai, over 500 square feet. And then also your lot is over 6,000 square feet. So great property. 4 bedrooms, 4 bath total. On the lower floor, you got 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths there with a nice large living area, its own little kitchenette and lanai. So great use of space, excellent location, really good condition. If you'd like to view this property or any others, please reach out to me through the link in my bio or by going to boddenrealestate.com. I hope you enjoyed the tour and have a great day. Aloha.